How to add location on Facebook page. First, you want to open your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your Facebook page. Now tap on these three lines, and if you're not already in your Facebook page, you can switch from here as well. Then tap on your Facebook page name and this will open up. Now on your profile, you want to tap on the edit button. Once you tap on it, if you scroll down at the bottom, you will find edit your about info. So tap on that option. Now over here under contact info, you're going to find add address. So tap on that. And here you can edit your location. So here tap on add street. Over here, you can add your street name. Then tap on save. Now tap on add town or city. Then again tap on save. After this, you can also add postcode. This is optional. If you don't want that, you can also tap on my page doesn't have a postcode and tap on save. Now you can also add map location. So for that, tap on add map location. And over here, you can select your area in the map and then tap on save to update the map location. Now, after all of these changes are made, you can tap on the save button. And as you can see, your location has been added. Now, if you go back to your profile and tap on about, here you can see your location has been added to your Facebook page. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.